guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my October Boxycharm unboxing. I'm excited to share this box with you guys because I've been getting Boxycharm for a couple months now and I've really been enjoying it. I found some awesome products in there so far that I love. I did take a peek in today's box just because I couldn't wait. Like, I try and hold out for the videos, but I just couldn't wait. So I did take a peek, but I haven't really dived too deep into the products. I couldn't even tell you what's in there off the top of my head, but when it got here, I did just like open it and take a look because I couldn't wait. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a monthly subscription service focused on beauty products that sends full-size beauty products for $21 a month. I have found some things I love in Boxycharm so far, so 21 bucks a month to find like one solid product alone is a big win. Plus, you get a whole handful of products each time too, so it's totally worth it in my opinion. I really enjoyed my time with them so far, and I'm excited to show you what's in this box. I will have a link down below if you'd like to sign up for Boxycharm for yourself. If you get it or if you got this box, let me know what you thought. Let me know what products you got. Leave a comment down below. And without further ado, let's just get into it. As I'm going through all of the products, I'll put the retail price right here as well so that you can see how much each product retails for and what the box total is valued at. So the first product that's in this box is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. So this is an elastic stretch volumizing mascara. It is full size, which I'm all about, and if you have watched my channel for a little while, you know that I am perpetually, always, completely every day of my life on the hunt for the perfect mascara, so I appreciate a full-size one in here. I think I have tried this mascara before and I did like it. Oh, my little man right next to me is enjoying the mascara as well, but I think I have tried this one before and I did like it. I also appreciate that it is full size. I do have lash extensions on right now, but I'll try it on my bottom lashes and hope I don't mess up my makeup. Nice. Oh, my hair. It's going on very clean. I really like that this brush is like very thin, so it's easy to get the bottom lashes with. Like today, sometimes I just choose not to do my bottom lashes at all because it's like a cleaner look, and I'm one of those people that like is always smudging my mascara all over my bottom lash line, but this one is like really easy to use. Yeah, I like that a lot. Obviously it's super subtle right now because my makeup is pretty basic today, but I enjoy that mascara. I'm happy to see that in there. Next up is a Kat Von D liquid lipstick. This is the Everlasting liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Bow and Arrow, and it is what I have on my lips today. I did want to try it out before making this video. So it's like a nice neutral brown color, kind of, I don't know, it's nice. It's not too deep, it's not too chocolatey. I don't usually do brown lipsticks because they can tend to make me feel a little bit more like 90s / Kylie Jenner than I feel comfortable with. But this one I really like. It's natural, it's lighter, it's in a very like thin tube, which I like a lot, strangely. I'll show you guys the swatch. That's the swatch on my skin to give you an idea of what it looks like. It's just a nice color. It's a good basic. I'll probably wear this one a lot going into fall because I tend to stick with neutral lips and nude lips, and this is like just a little outside my comfort zone, but not crazy dark, so I like that. Next up is this Ahava or Ahava, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it's a mineral body lotion. This is in the scent Water. It smells very clean. I've actually received this body lotion in other subscription services. I think I got it in my FabFitFun once, and I like it a lot. It's very moisturizing. This line is known for using active Dead Sea minerals, and it's great for sensitive skin too. So I love these little sizes because they're great for like just throwing in your purse and going, and this stuff will be excellent for cooler weather and keeping my like chapped dry hands on check or in check. There's also a Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. I actually have this in a bigger bottle as well. This stuff is awesome. It's great for spraying your hair when it's damp and adding a little bit of moisture to it. Again, super relevant for October and like the fall winter weather. I really like that this box is very relevant and seasonally appropriate. I hate when you get boxes and like the things don't translate to what the weather's like, but the brown lipstick, the moisture mask for your hair, hand lotion, things like that are all really gonna come in handy this fall. So I really like that. This again is also great for travel size. This one is a 2-ounce bottle, so this one's not full size, but it is still a good size. It's good to test out, and then you could always get yourself a bigger size if you like it. But I have enjoyed this product in the past. Then the last thing in the box is a palette. I love how much Boxycharm does makeup palettes. Like, I feel like you can never have too many makeup palettes, and especially when you're paying $21 a month, to know that like you're gonna get a palette and some other things is pretty cool in my opinion. So this one is by Per Cosmetics. This is a Midnight Masquerade face palette, and so it actually has face colors on this side and then it has eyeshadow colors on this side. These are like some nice deep rich colors, but they're not too like bold. They're not too far outside of my comfort zone, which I appreciate. That Laura Lee palette a couple months back was like way bright, but this one is like a little more doable for me, and these would be some really pretty colors for the holiday season too. The shimmer shades are awesome. I love that. There's a couple swatches to give you an idea of like the pigmentation on them. So on this side, you're gonna get a couple highlighting shades, a couple blushes, and then on this side, you're gonna get 6 eyeshadow shades, plus there's a little mirror too, so it could be great for travel. I really like this. I think I will get a lot of use out of this, especially going into the holidays. I love the items in this box. I'm really excited to try them out, especially that lipstick. I feel like I'll be wearing this all fall long. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this unboxing. Like I said, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you get Boxycharm, what you thought of this month's box. I would love to hear from you. And of course, let me know anything else you'd like to see as well, any requests you have or anything like that. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fabulous day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.